Come on, join the fun in Mr. Jason's classroom.
Hello and welcome to my Bubble Studio. I am the Bubble Genius, and I can make just about anything out of bubbles. It's true. Would you like to see? It's bubble time. What is that?
A dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur. Roar! A sauropod. Ooh, what is it? What is it?
A ballerina.
It's a ballerina. Now, something that I really like to make is bubble shapes. I'll make one now, and you tell me what shape it is. Ready? What is it?
A rectangle.
What is that? That's right, it's a rectangle. Look at those four sides. Woo, it's a rectangle. Let's check out some slow motion bubbles. Sometimes to get a good look at something, you just need to slow down. Slow. I love to watch bubbles popping in slow motion. It's kind of weird, but so cool. Kind of like me. Now, it's your turn to choose what the next bubble should be.
Construction people.
Ah, I like it. Here it goes. Oh, look, it's an excavator. Here comes some more. That was a great pick.
Triangle.
What is that?
A triangle.
That's right. It's a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 angles. It's a triangle. Would you like to play a bubble game? This game is called Keep Your Eyes on the Bubble. It won't be easy because there's a lot of exciting things going on in this scene. Like this cute little creature. It seems to be interested in what's cooking on the fire. There's a woodpecker woodpeckering on this tree over here. And a flock of geese flocking to the east. Is that a frog hopping on a log? And a butterfly fluttering by. But wait a moment, where is the bubble?
Hey, where is it?
I think I've lost track. Bubble, bubble, come out wherever you are.
Oh, there it is.
There you are, hiding behind the guitar. Okay, let's see if we can keep our eyes on the bubble. Oh, hello, birdie. How are you today? Oh, what a beautiful song. It sounds like someone else is singing. A baby chick learning to sing. Keep working hard, baby bird. The frog is joining the fun. I love it. But wait, where did the bubble go?
Where's the bubble? Hey, where is it?
I've lost track again.
There's a bubble.
Bubble, come out, wherever you are.
There it is.
There you are. This has been fun. Thank you for playing Keep Your Eyes on the Bubble. Okay, here we go. I'm going to make some bubble diamonds. Bubble diamonds! And I need you to count them. Here we go. How many bubble diamonds do you count? That's right! 1, 2, 3,
4.
It's time for Big Kid Bubble Facts. Did you know bubbles float higher on a cold day? That's because the air in the bubble from your breath is warmer than the air outside, and warm air rises. Also, did you know bubbles float longer on a cold day too? That's because the water that holds the bubble together evaporates slower.
Whoa, that's cool.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to blow multiple bubble shapes. What do you see?
Square. Square.
A square.
Triangle.
A triangle.
Circle.
A circle.
Diamond.
And the diamond. Ah, yes. This has been so much fun. Thank you for visiting my bubble studio.
Okay, Bubble Genius, take one.
Bubble genius.
Okay,
Bubble
we're trying to stay focused here.
It's the bubble genius. You didn't know I could hit those notes, did you?
Oh, man. Okay, cut. Cut. Excuse me, Birdie. Excuse me. Tweet, tweet. All right, we might just have to start this from the beginning.
Find more fun videos on Mr. Jason's Classroom channel.